Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye.
You just sit down. Just say, waiting I go to come talk now. Oh, be man of ya zola con. That time when they waiting the corner, the Yemi Alade. If he knows this, he can't meet no, I'm not meet Bele Joao. A Bobrisky, ya waboga, Obogari, no ite, Ian Tena. Oh, here I will tell about no, yes, sir. Iye wa tena ge Bobrisky o haide de mo ye yoriri bo ma de gbe ku oyi hi o wa lo ba mo ku o ku re na ya fefefo we no bu we make come marriage you we no confused una si o awa me da lo pogbon lo gbe eri ma ehan ya sha me ni jomo no me tinja eke asaka no so hionba abo hionba ya fefe me de ni ya wo na ti o saloboa eti ni ka o igwa denu wa ya fefe abogun oba no be gbeyegbe noro ibe seke no je o ogun oba no gbeyegbe seke no ibe no me no ma gbeyegbe noro ya sile ladin ya si abi mo noro ni se ya sile ya fe ladin abogun oba because when wakaya when wa yakati owo wa o se ona do ajeberi oni waka afilu gbeyegbo wa be be oni yan se ti ajeberi oni me kwa ime gbuku gbahe abo hioba iwa gbuku gba iwa si etu aka saka no so hioba ime ya sale ya wa sale ya ebode ya sale ya edien do ro mejeke ya ro mo ta ya ro mejeke nothing dey happen no shake afema fe mo duwe kueme hie koma kon no we hajo erima ya zola kon this year 2022 ya will show the person iya wa mudia gagaga etie ni kawe tie die doge doni eni effecto copy ni awo be mana o oge doni me mu etinya gede abo yo bani opa ware trap ni wa o irie mi ko e trap oga e me e wo dejo iwa e go ga dejo ye ko fi he enwe wa ka mu fe we ko fi he uri e jakobe me fi he ni re jakobe ne e me ma dejo we no dejo no do agebe ya gbe gwagwa ne ho no do dejo go gba ni o ga dejo ni gbe gwagwa ne wa e be no bo ya gbe gwagwa he ri he ya gbe gwagwa ni no ni be deri oni Bobrisky, you know they fear or you no fear you just is belle free come talk say na our own father erima. Now you want to shine your face for this 2022. It be like say life don't tire you. Life don't tire you. If somebody like me there for that Benin today or yesterday, you foresee what's in that for don't take you to do sacrifice. Cut you, but share your path for all those junction where they for Benin. You know they fear at all. Bob when they risky. You were don't confuse human being, confuse element like you. You dey craze. You want use Benin to play. You think say our abba na only on FIFA when I tell they brush teeth every day for live video. Only do like this. Only carry this woman. Only sleep like this. We don't talk to our abba like that. Now all those bastards, all those Benin bastards, now they talk to our abba. The fear don't go let them go Benin now. All those Benin bastards, all those inferior Benin blood them. Like they talk to our Oba and yeah, fear no. If they say them to fear, if they not they fear themselves, make them go, make them reach all red, only all red, make they just reach there. That man ajinya poluge. Just sit down, say make it come marry you. He meditating, he heavy oh. Bobrisky go back, go Bobrisky. Why are you working about what Doni? Ahon we pa hotel to ni oba yan to ya se we bo keke nu yo wo oba yan to ni wu ya yu won here Bobrisky ba so yu won here ba for why you won here ba son ebe bonu nja wuni ni ama ya seti gwa gwa boteto ni o kan gbo Bobrisky all those babalawo juju what they do na e go kill you Bobrisky na e go kill you go use your head to pay you know even fear you just sit down say wetin I go do wetin I go come talk now make people hear me now you come talk say na our father let you come take play this year me your mom no me ginger I call for all of una all Orionba I call for una just dey tell una now I call for all of una Orionba unless one wey just gbeyegbe I no go talk to am no wa gbeyegbe ibe say kenoje but no mo wi yen gbeyegbe e ya nwa me gbona na wa jini wa ju mo go eni wa ya we tan that's how we just dey do now. As una talk says because I don't live una since when I dey talk when I dey busy body dey worry una just leave una make only Orionba come out I will tell una say Asaka don come out men no Asaka no so Orionba we so need you wa mi wa gbalo I go see una sef na never know so anywhere Bobrisky dey una show me na draw am come outside make una draw Bobrisky come outside for me.
I still say you're not there for.
Mona drop Bobrisky come outside. Mona drop come outside make it come. If he try, I hear say they say he don't beg. Say that mistake. He smoke igbo. He don't beg. He say he smoke igbo. What he smoke? Hashish. He smoke hashish. I be na what he smoke. Make I go teach her how to smoke am. Wa hoda kuri ba wa gbu e ba wa kan gbo Bobrisky ba wa kan gbo popo na la na ba wa kan gbo na gbe no se o kan ya zola kan ba wa gbo ba so ba wa gbo ba fa o kan gbo wa bi e yore Bobrisky u ari e ba no ha won iku kan ya la lele e Bobrisky iku o kan ya la meme ba so kan ya la meme ba fa you just sit down you don't even see anything again you don't see play you don't see play come say na our own father our dearly father beloved father now you wan come take share for this year 2022 wey we just dey enter so àwọn egban o ba so àwọn egban o ba fa àwọn egban o yeye uwe te na ya wa u te wo bu no je san uwe wa te na ebogari nyo ite uwe te you know dey even dey fear yourself. Bobrisky confused element. See what they do. You just they worry you. Anyone who want to win, anyone else on the no could know what we mean now. With the craze, you just they worry you. Person go just sit down, you know, just dey find trouble. Just sit down. My me give igbo vele wa erere. Igbo why you smoke don't enter your brain. You don't know what you go call the guess. I dey your city. He dey gbo pa lo ki wa me Bobrisky very oni. Unwo hire a. You dey craze. Your head not correct at all. I dey come make I see let you rest more Bobrisky. If not, I'll make I let you rest more. My people, get one your issue where just dey for ground. I don't just want talk put, but make I let you know say I know what it dey. We know what it dey for that matter. So as you come out, you come explain yourself. Say not be so it take happen. Say you with her just toast you. Everything you call that it just toast you. You with her not get anything on just do. So that lie when you talk now lie. No say you're mad for lie. We take her like that. Don't be say I get anything when I want talk for that matter. Jore. And we take her like that. You know why I don't want to do video because that matter no way reach. In no way. The matter as proud mommy take talk and the matter be well. But when you come bring your own view, when you come talk your the plan, when una plan for back, when you come bring am, you come reduce the something from 100% to 60%. So now I say this thing no wait, suppose to still reach 80%. I for talk put. You know wait, because I dey weigh my matter before I dey talk. That's why I want to add. I just make I talk am for the middle of this bob when the risk is so. So e just not be say we not hear, no, we not know what it dey. We know what it dey. We know what it dey sup. What it dey pepper soup. We know everybody the way they inside the matter. We know somebody like me. I know. But as you see, come talk and say nothing like that. Say nothing like that happen. We still take am. But me, that matter, I don't reserve am. If I don't put am for one side. When that video, I don't put am for one side. I put am for inside that phone. Ekwemeje. No, so all the phone where I get different where they put inside the Ekwemeje. Now I go store the matter, put until further notice. Anytime when the matter fit come out, I will bring the matter. It will come fresh again. Like say na today night then do am. As you say talk the matter, you say na not doing it. Which means na Frank Victor, na he can't tell proud mommy lie. Say Atiti. See the place where me I dey suspect oh. Say na Atiti. He say proud mommy say Atiti tell am. He say Frank Victor tell am say Atiti say he don't do vava you. Say your kpekusi dey make blah 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 blah. He not get sweet in the middle again. The sweet in the middle, he not dey. That is why he leave you. Say that so he tell Frank Victor, but you now come out come say no nothing like that. You are not date, no see your blah 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 blah. Oh blah 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 blah. Say no see. So say Frank, he say Atiti no see am at all, not do. Okay, who can they talk like now? Now Frank Victor can they talk like now? Being a proud mommy can they talk like. But as you just say end the matter like that, no be say I don't like am. You say make they just leave the matter. Now you the matter dey for the body. Make they just leave the matter like that. You both any. Ogo omanu sankunwa. When you want go shit, you know they settle matter well. You go say make you rest. Rest. You go just make sure that you go get chance go shit. So now that matter, now that kind of matter, now you can talk. So we want know somebody like me where I can bring the man because I don't put am for inside Ekwemeje Guaderia there. So the matter they say Ekwemeje Guaderia. So anytime if you go the Guaderia for inside Ekwemeje, I'll carry and come outside. So Ekwemeje, wetin I give you when you make you guada for me, make you give me, go give me. So that matter dead here now. So that thing, as you tell talker, I not agree with you because the person when talk like between them so me or we live video or the whole everybody share the whole world want to know who talk like. If na Frank Victor na go talk like more by Atiti, we want know. Or na proud mommy na more by Frank Victor, we want to know. You understand? Make we know for where the truth dey. Who they talk like, make we just know the people where they talk like. So I know say anything we don't enter social media. Now all of us will be your kagbe and your kagele. Then go put on for table. We go talk. As this your matter and this your kpekus when they do blah 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 blah. When I say Atiti say they do blah blah blah, nothing sweet in the middle. So we want to know whether not true, whether not like say Frank Victor really tell proud mommy or he not tell proud mommy like that because you deny say no such thing not happen. So you know just come out because we know say you na number one lie grade 1 you get PhD for lie. So we know just can't believe like that. We want to know whether Frank Victor really talk am abi he not talk am. You understand? If Frank Victor not talk that word say na proud mommy na come put 10% for that word, e not good though. Proud mommy, I too like you and I like you well. I don't, you not go make una dey cut 10% the join person. Or na Frank Victor na cut 10% join Atiti matter. You know good. Or maybe really Atiti tell Frank Victor, Atiti, you not do something. You can't go talk. You can't go and tell Frank Victor say you do vava the thing maybe blah 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 like that. So that kind of thing. You know. So we want to know the person way bad among these 3 people. You understand? Who can bring 10% put for this matter? We want to know. Not be say you go just come and say, "I'm not forgetting. Don't do." Na me dey for anybody. Why everybody? You mean na so you dream? Anyway, I mean na no mag bani. Umamina miaze no we that one moji. You not dream see that one. Imina no magbani neki na sound no la dere o wa mina be ministry ni. Eki ya sala ja wo huwa. Ye be ye kedo de ani ya ma be mina kedo de adede. Ya we machine gun wo ya. Ya we barrel wo ya. Eria eki ya sala la ja mi hu ya. Eria enye mi no la ja wo ya. Ya ma ge be toni kedo de ade. Women now we from Victoria girlfriend there here give you here last. No as I get to rock by that time. Okay, we're back more. New body. I give you hand. If your body back about the end of you okay. Talk a great joy. You talk liar. You're the two they talk liar. The highest liar in the whole universe. You're is number one. So you can't dream see that one. You don't dream see the wish when say na you hold you for, na you hold your womb, but na you tie your belly where you not feel, but you not dream see that one. Now so you go dream see say that they fight for Benin, or they won't fight for Benin, you go they dream. Bad dream now you dream. You know you dream they see good thing. You don't go sit down you dream see good thing. You know sit down you dream how your life won't be. You know go dream see all that one. Now you thing now you go they dream. Cause they dream they see how frog want to come up for their nyash, do everything. All those kind of things now they dream. And so you just reach. I just take this opportunity as a fan. Now take this as a fan. They tell you say that word where you talk, so we not take her. But we won't leave the matter for the matter. We know we'll talk about the matter. We won't leave her. Till further notice, I don't give a question. Make it hold up. We get my phone when I call a question. So now inside that question, now I go that the something put. Then inside that place. Me, I not believe you. Queen, you say you go defeat the naira for her because I see the video where you do. What do you know about yourself? Where you just take hand, just say they knock your chest. Atiti not tell her. They call Atiti every time. You know Ijore too much. You know Ijore house. Up to house, you with Ijore play rich. Not be your mouth to talk. Ijore show you in house. Ijore mawo gwanojia. Ijore show you in house. If really say you be really tight friend, he really like you. I think he go show you the house where they stay. You don't know Ijore house. As soon as play rich. Now you can't say you know Ijore everything. You say you know 100%. You don't know. May I tell you now, just 15 or 18%. Now you know about Ijore. Now you know. You don't know anything about Ijore. The thing when you now small when you know, now you they talk so. 18% of Ijore's secret. Now you know. Best way not to show you for where they live. Now you can't say you know your house. You don't know her. You don't know Ijore house. You don't know Ijore's secret. Now few when you just feel local. Now you know. So you don't like you don't last if you're not where you don't know Ijore. Best when you don't know your house. You don't know if not best when be say you with a read the play, you go know your house. You go even as you with a play rich for life. You supposed to even know in bed. You with a go even sleep for bed now will talk. The time me I get best friend. Now so me with her the same cloth now with the so the my if I not there herself. I go not get me go come our house. I not there house so you know he come house. Mama go tell her say I not there house. He go wait for me for house. If you wait to maybe time reach where they cook evening food. He go carry food come outside. He go cook her. He go say Ije kwa him he go. Cook that food. The anytime when I come and say, "Hey, mama," you know he get after we see. Ye papa, you know, je webu. Me something me boss ebe no je. Oh God. He something many times you have a je. You call here what balomo. He go come until I go come. Me with I will come eat. Ew. Now that one I be friend, and that kind of friend I go fit to say, "Iye we so wa." When we be jore je ni oku okunu. Wa boy iku osewunu go bobo wa iku ni waga ku ma won so wa so ga la dia no do asieme onu do atewe nu wa e wo be gbe wa time wa to ta ni aga da me ho na how they listen for the word, you understand wa ta no ege kere o kere e ko ne meni do no je bi ni sambuku pe we ko we ba no do kimi obe we ko ni ka we su dia we ko because you have to say everything wa ta lo bí àti ẹ̀gẹ́ ìjọba ọwẹ́ ní ẹ̀dùnjìn ya mi topic yẹn we do ya mi view wa o wa ìjọba ẹ̀gẹ́ nínú àjẹrí ma fídíò ni ọ̀wẹ́ gbé mẹ́ ìbẹ́ rí ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀mẹ̀sẹ̀dọ̀ ìdí ẹ̀mẹ̀sẹ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀mẹ̀jẹ ìbáni fíọ̀ ìjì ọ̀sẹ̀gẹ̀ ìdá òkan player ẹ̀gẹ́ nínú ẹgbẹ́ mi nà wọ́n náà wúta ẹ̀mí kéde ọ̀nà tánà ní ẹ̀mí náà tí róbì ẹ̀ náà ní wẹ́ tó bọ̀ wẹ́ àtàtì everything dey with me then you got ya ladianu we make I boy trap me we trap we ya defi ogwe ni me o de go o ma be ro ni wa set trap we e de no ka wa de trap ni wa me bia sarwa ba ya gbe wa ni. You understand me asaka no so yoba that's my new name for this year o ijo mo no me ginger aka asaka no so yoba wa ho ya salu wa benu wa lon wa ereru gwa la ki owu wa nu wa do leji mere wa na ya salu wa saka so wa do no gbogbo like fuede. So Bobrisky ogwo ga gbo ogwo ba gon re no hin agbo e u tede ukpona na nu la ja do te no we do u te we bo no jesa uma ide de mi onu he ya fia wo na we ri mo he ya fia wo we no make come marriage o he e wo oku ya dugu ya we plastic surgery there abu o gba te me ni ke na te me ni all this boys no we ke gba je o ga mi no ma se mi bo no gba fi sisi la je no gba ya agbele gbo wa ma be wa gu picture the surgery no ni ne ya kara kwa be ne face e ba ke jasi I ga shift do ke do be there was give a sun slap wa gi we gbera go bona we gbera go bopa wa swe kikijo ekun ni gbe kikijo ekun ni wa ga de surgery man lese ai papa na e plastic do ro egbe wa kan do eyan ha ro fi ogera bi je oga ekwe nu wa na agbele gbugba no ba no wa fi sila jane si wa ya agbele gbugba won wa bo wa je wa do odo aju nu ero ko wa be zo bo no wa be pa that thing pay me o it pay me nya we no ro wa gbe police bet I wait no na de no ro wa I see ya me do Bobrisky e wa mi isu wa I vai chest wa oh wa ba gbon go oni ofife no abi Alaafin of Oyo ni aya I brush up on live video every time ere wo kan Alaafin pa o ere quality iwo wo kan that kind of fear go let you come talk that kind of for Benin Kingdom never we don't take our battle they play o about ne yowa we don't take our battle they play stop am if na play stop am if you no stop am ere wa gin wa jimuti egbe ni na ya sese na yisa gin ya dolo ni ono na e o pia e o ku o confuse with that mo awa gbo no
this social media
what you say what you talk what did the person talk what did he talk what did he talk
no the way you go take over God they give order if say like
eya no
give them the internet for me
no eya no he no go talk to me na oga a president
open my account for me
oga a president
say no to arresting your parents pikin we not go do what go arrest the parents
that one mama me eya when arrest you je me no rubudi me tell me if they want to arrest me na go arrest my mama grave for there was that is a kenera meje na only that one yes that is a kenera meje lie what say ba da be kita ni gba that so han ro wa yi ekenu wa that is o is a kenije meje wa me keninu je meje bi ba wa se ba ni ya woli din wa mu nya hu wa mu bye me wa ge gu wa pe wa se wa ya mu they don't know to here o emi everything we have so na lo ka me una just carry gbogbo ti gbo go be igba resign igba ku ye Nigeria bye I die for you my children bury me for me and my children we are here me and my children my grandchildren we are here bye o ekenera meje era me dog bear 100 my papa dog bear 100 years. If you say na that one I won't go carry una no go finish themselves why we set the say ba we gele awe kitani royal hero why set the say ba why set ekenu wa set say ekenije meje wa set say wa ari ekenije meje wa ya mu wa na wa mu be na ni amegba kaka bogo go igba inside Nigeria gba gbe gba kuye ya igba kuye ko Nigeria ni wa fi say igba fi Mediterranean Sea I no dey go I no go again I stay for here. Emi no keke ni awu iwe ne. Understand? We understand. Maybe we very bana we are Yeah.
Which life is so fast they go?
So that one not concern me.
I didn't know you not go.
Why you police mu nen wa bi wa do o ma concern me. Why me ogo me mu wa ya mu din.
Every person never go school. I think make go university.
When wa ya mu din wa ya so tiko bo mu din wa mu
Very
din.
important.
Wa money na wa so kan no ke me gadi me gide gbe me na tebe zi ogwe maybe I will just I no go just je only wa ke bye bye. O wa ke bye bye I no go again. Ngwa no ngwa ma we wo gbagun ma no they know wetin come concern your mama concern your papa for Nigeria again. Me I no get time for that one. Me and you talk for live video na 100 times you come out I come 300 times we live video na wa be time I wa be time no wa be full wetin come concern na papa concern na mama for inside the one I go this arrest na one go make una go arrest my mama grave na wa una dey arrest my mama grave for that me go dey use my mama take dey chop money for Igbo hand for here wa make una dey arrest my mama grave muna go dey arrest ogera me no ro gba mi o wa se ti se ba ya wonu wa re ba ti megi wa wonu wa ya wu ifa ya do bo ka we kekere ra meje buselu wa kan ti me ma gi wa wonu wa ya wu wa te se ba wa mi no gbelu wa you understand so and image wa ti mi ra me ije me no ro wa se ti mi wa re grave wa so wa ten grave wa te wa mu nya wa mu ahia de tu wa mu wa ya o wa mu ahia adashuna me ni meja o Nigeria no wa apanyo gbare wo bi owi eri o omo na so gwa ne ori en soto o ma e din ako ere afi come afi no come e mean only have dey practice abeg no to get time o una quarter for that video go dey arrest your mama arrest your papa arrest your children for Nigeria what do you call the cause that it doesn't make any sense all that will not make sense now. Era bi jo no mai no waju nu wa ya kai wa ya worry e wa re no wa we motivational speaker ga wa e no good in the other one say that he first of all go the arrest papa bi we no ya time we say that he first do now he first the cause all those kind thing o ga ti e bonu unu no wa be ya ti o we wa be ti oge we wa be to we ta loge ri o wa no ma kan ra ma kan je wa see ayo you understand if you don't say me na ya fi no gi eri yan bi jiyan because obi o kan atebo me era bi je ni metebo na because ma we ra o kan gba ihe egbe itebo ni ra bi je no ma ko kesi ni o ya meti if not we ro ko ma concern ru wa bi ju wa bo wa ya rest no I want no one even know wetin cause the problem but make una not dey do that kind thing again do wa ya mo idi o je me ni a we na ya mo luwa gwale mi wa arrest wa ya arrest di on je mi ya igwa gogojo wa mu wa mi no ta mu wa we ni wa ga mu da ni ti ogun bajo in wa na mi no ta mu wa ga mu o wa la we ko lo bo se kini ra me Joseph wa na mi no ta mu wa ga se kini ra me je da lo ga du wa ji era me no gbere 100 years wa o imi ni mania si no na de crazy wa o imi ni mania agani je na wo we gani 95 years no gbe wa pon na wo o te mo pa we ni ya tie here ma make na no gbe na ijime me no igba we pese ni igba ibi abi ari ogo bo pa ke ni awe na tie hiwe ya do tie here yen o ni yen mi no gbe it o na we me te we no lagbon tia iyen na ya tia no dey do that kind thing me na igba we pese ba gbon ni igba o ga so gigbi jime at the age of 95 azeno mami mi na nwina ama mi na ngwe no ya gbije me abe na ri megi gba se na no gbere 100 years nena o azonpa ogun yon gigbera me na gigu be na ogu ba ko azeni ogun yon gbera me gbe azeni we bo ma le de azangun no wa le lefe wa fo ne no wi wa restaurant time o gbe azun we isetin ya gbe ngu mari azangun ogun ojo gigbera me o no bi oji agbon na because o ma no give your money or your money o ngwe ki jagbe you just go waste your energy jagbo ni oh jagbo ni you just want to suffer for that person go just suffer for nothing but era me no mi ra me ye kan yen na go eso ge yen your money yen gbete era me ma gbete o era me oni me yen wa story ni na go he salobo awo se ra me je be ni your money yen ma gbete je me ma gbete okego you may just fear egbe here obo nothing at the age of 95 auto boy je be le ba ebe eba ni ele yo to yebe busa fe ba ni ele na yaro to no to bo ele ye me ma so no o ma na bi egbe ma we soso ira me gba be jebe dana the only thing we ira me I ga gun egi ho ofo we tu kaka bo gun ira me na gi he me no mata o ye dego de o ma gbete o wa dego do o je nwa o wa gwegwo ye on bet egi he me say that is just the thing where they wrong with my father. Bon ça lo boy dad me ira me so bon ça lo boy dad me ijere saweso so why ira gweruwa ya yeruwa do ya gbezo we live video that one want to bob we dey risk ogun ga gbo ogun ba gbo ge no ga gbo o eni ka ga jawe po lórí o èmi ja lo re no ro te do ni aga yesa ge won ya do lo te do ni o Bobrisky o wa tota Bobrisky we obi mo ya zola kan ọba gboriri o ọba gboriri o ọba nu gboriri Bobrisky mi aya fia o wi aya dolunu Bobrisky take your time o if not we say that because of nowadays now somebody like Bobrisky just can do sacrifice that 5 junction they'll just share your blood put for there the grace awa you sacrifice wa dolo abi use on my say he will sacrifice Bobrisky 7 years over anu gbe be gani afi so fi o bo afi obi e ba jana me eyan kan they are our slave somebody like this kind of thing where Bobrisky talk so we take and do sacrifice. Bobrisky take your time o no say that na because of say modern life like make you just as you just talk we just leave you so if you try am again that body wey dey catch you and that Lagos there na that body go catch you reach you make you no pass ore o if they send you next time to come Benin tell them say you no fit for Benin people problem you dey grace you no see that time when body dey catch a Desmond idiot you no see wetin we do am abi you no see na Jagaban with Tinubu you no see wetin we do am you dey grace she say Benin na Lagos Benin no be Lagos o if you go where you dey smoke dey worry you I tell you say I smoke pass you he say some boy yi ba wa gbo a ujunu e ka wa gbon kan won e Bobrisky are you crazy you are already crazy I will man here when everytime I will hear when ti abeg we dey mad just come out come just talk come out gbe wa wo me o when agbon wa fina ene re fi emi eki me le come marry you ru do bi ma we na ya we sodun na aye gbe we ya to ku wa etenu we jeko won wa mo ko we beg you know see all in wife say ye sion na Bobrisky when no ma me agbore no confused with that one yen to bi yen ma do pe yen do ko yen you were confused element cup and full wọ́n ṣe me come wa bo lawe gbe wa gbon wa degi yeke wa owa no ma any gbe this say na all those now for Abuja and Lagos now you dey rain now and you fit all those abi ani ma any gbe ni do agbele ki ayo woni so wa owa wa gbon wa degi yeke technology o